an example, if you search cooking here and click on search, it's going to show you the search volume, which is the amount of time people are actually searching for this particular keyword. It is on a high search, and the SEO difficulty is 67 over the past 3 months. It gives you the difficulty in paid traffic, people that are actually doing Google ads, and you can also see the cost per click that people pay. So an average website that can rank on top of the Google, the top 10, has to have. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you the free keyword research tool that you can actually use in 2023 to actually grow and scale your website, your SEO game to the moon. So basically, keyword research is actually a crucial part of SEO, and it is very important that we choose the right tools to actually help us to identify the best keywords for our websites. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually get use the top keyword tools that you can actually use to actually optimize your website and help you to rank on the search engine results. So let's just dive right straight into the video. So what is keyword research tool, or what is keyword research? Keyword research basically means you actually going out there to look for topics, to look for trending topics that you can actually write about on your blog. So the kind of content or the kind of topic you want to go out to look for, a topic that actually has high search volume and has low difficulty to rank on. So you don't want to go and search for videos or for topics that are not searched for. You don't want to write about content that people are not going to be looking for, and you just write content and nobody's actually checking out your content. So what you want to do is to write content that people are actually asking for and that has very low difficulty to actually rank those content. So this is actually what I'm going to be doing for you in this video. I'm going to show you tools that you can actually help you to rank your content on the internet, and that are actually free to get started with, so you don't need to pay a dime rate. So the first tool I'm actually going to be showing you is actually called, basically with Google Trend, you can be able to actually rank your articles, rank your do keyword research, do a lot of stuff without having to bother yourself about if my website is going to rank, if this keyword is going to rank or not. So what is Google Trend? Google Trend gives you data from real time. They give you data from what's happening in the internet as at the time you are actually searching for something. So explore what the world is searching for right now. So you can actually come here to get what is happening, what is trending, and you can write topics about. You can be able to get keywords about anything you are actually interested in. You can actually even see the rank or the interest rates or the chart at which a particular keyword you want to write about is going. Let's say I'm into cooking and I want to write about cooking. I can go here now and see explore cooking. So if I go here to explore the topic on cooking, I can see the chart, I can see the interest, I can see how it is moving up towards if it is a good keyword to write on. So like I said, we can explore this particular space with Google Trend. We can see what's happening right now with real data, real time, over the past few weeks, over the past few days, and we can actually use this tool to actually get ahead of our competitors. This is one good thing about Google Trend. So Google Trend gives you data from real time. The next tool I'm actually going to be talking about here is, okay, let me just allow this Google Trend to see so that you can be able to see what I'm talking about. So this is actually the interest over time on cooking in the past day, all category, and I want web search. So this is the interest of people that are actually interested in cooking right now. Like this is the chart. This was time people like there was interest in cooking. In Nigeria, there was in Nigeria was trying to break a record on Guinness record. So people were actually interested in cooking. They were going to search. So you can see the rank on the search of cooking. People were going on the internet to search. So Google Trend gives us real-time data about the interest. So let's still go the topic that's related keywords that people are also searching for, or that is rising, that is trying to break out. So related topics are boiled egg, bay leaf food, Chinese cuisine, coconut milk, how to topic. So these are topics that are actually trying to make it out of the cooking niche. You can see how to cook Nigerian fried rice step by step. So this actually gives you trends, so you can jump on these trends and actually use it to break out before people even know that there's any topic like this. So the next tool I'm actually going to be talking to you about is actually the Google Keyword Planner. Just like the Google Trend, is actually a very good tool that you can actually use to grow your website, your business on the internet. So what is the Google Keyword Planner? Google Keyword Planner allows you to be able to see rising topics and also see keywords that are very crucial, or keyword ideas that you can actually use in your ads. So how do you find this Google Keyword Planner? It's inside the Google Ads platform. So for you to be able to locate it, you have to go to googleads.google.com. That's inside the Google Ads platform. You can be able to see the Google Keyword Planner that gives you an idea of keywords, ideas that you can actually write on, that you can actually use on your adverts to actually scale your advert to the moon. And also you can also use to write blog posts as well. So, or you can go to stillads.google.com, but if you come to this when you're in the home page, you can come to this advanced resource and you see go to the Google Keyword Planner. It's going to take you straight to it. If you already have a Google account, it's just going to show you straight to the place. If you don't have a Google account, it's going to tell you to open one. So the next tool is actually called the Ubersuggest, owned by Neil Patel. So Neil Patel owns Ubersuggest. So it's a tool that helps you to do keyword research, SEO, gives you SEO opportunity, tells you content ideas, similar websites, gives you keyword by traffic, gives you visualizations. It helps you to even check your website to see if you have any issues on your website, how to optimize your website, gives you idea on backlinks, traffic, where your traffic is coming from. It gives you every single thing you need to know about your SEO game and also your ranking on the internet. So now we are talking about keyword idea. Like I said, I use cooking as an example. If you search cooking here and click on search, it's going to show you the search volume, which is the amount of time people are actually searching for this particular keyword. It is on a high search, and the SEO difficulty is 67 over the past 3 months. It gives you the difficulty in paid traffic, people that are actually doing Google ads, and you can also see the cost per click that people pay. So an average website that can rank on top of the Google, the top 10, has to have over 695,766 backlinks and a domain authority of 88. Just to tell you that this is actually a very high or a very difficult keywords to break in. So what can this particular tool do for you now? It's going to give you some ideas that you can actually use. See, you can see some ideas that it's giving you here. See keyword ideas that you can actually use. Cooking bacon in the oven, and it has 110,000 search volume. See the difficulty. So what you want to look for is the difficulty that is very low, have high search volume, but the difficulty is very low. So you don't want to look for especially when you are starting out, you don't want to go out for difficult keywords, because you are not going to rank. So you want to go for the ones that has high search volume but low difficulties. So like I said, you can be able to use Ubersuggest to get keyword and get ideas for your keywords. So another tool you can actually use is called the keyword tool. So keyword tool actually gives you ideas just like the Google Trend, but it gives you ideas based on multiple platforms like Google, like Bing, like Amazon, like YouTube. It goes online and scrap the internet and gets data real time, what people are actually searching for, and then gives you some keyword opportunity. Like I give you an example of cooking, so you can give you keyword suggestion on cooking, and you can go here to see some ideas. Cooking class near me, cooking turkey cooking time, see the search volume, see the trend, look at the cost per click, and then the difficulty is very low. So if you want to write an article, you can actually write an article on this turkey cooking time. You see that it has a very high search volume, and the difficulty is just for low, very low. You can actually write and you are going to rank on Google, compared to when you go and write for just cooking, which has over 4 million search volume, and which is very medium and to be very difficult to rank on. Another thing is that it also give you idea on question kind of keyword. So you can see, you can click here and see, take keywords based on question, what people are actually asking for on Google. So it's going to give you idea about, okay, people are asking about this particular question on Google on this particular topic. So let's say cooking. Now it's going to give you example of questions that people ask on Google. So, and also not just Google, also on all of these platforms, Binge, Amazon, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, on Google Trends. See, can you see the questions that it's asking? Are cooking show fake? These are what people are asking for. Are cooking oil bad for you? Are cooking and baking the same thing? So you can see it's giving you questions that people are actually asking for, and you can see their search volume. Look for them when you register. Just log in here. You're going to get access to this particular tool. I'm also going to leave the link to the description. In the description, you can see prepositional questions. It's going to it can be able to also get keyword based on prepositions, and you are good to go. Like I said, it's a very, very key and a very, very cool tool you can actually use in your keyword research. You can see cooking about school, about cooking hobbies. These are tools that you can actually use and help yourself in your SEO journey. The last tool I'm actually going to be recommending is actually called Answer the Public. So Answer the Public is just like keyword tool. It gives you access to questions like what, prepositional questions, gives you questions that people are asking, and gives you the where, how, what kind of idea. So it's actually now owned by Neil Patel. Neil Patel now owns this particular platform, and like I said, using cooking as still an example, you can come here and just search for any keyword you want, or topic, or brand, or products you want to actually get keywords from, and click on search. It's going to give you access to it. But like on this platform, you have only 3 search per day. You can see here when you start, you have 3 search per day. You can come here and see on cooking you have 135,000, just like we saw in the last place, which is Ubersuggest. 135,000. See the difficulty, see the cost per click, and then if you go down, you can be able to see look at it gives you idea based on questions, based on proposition, based on comparison, alphabetical, based on related. You can see what questions that people are asking. See, look at the where question, look at the where question, look at the which question, look at the how question, look at the when question, look at the who question. So who is cooking tonight? Look at who is cooking movie. All these kind of things that you can get. It gives you digital visualizations of every single thing. It's arranged the keyword based on alphabetical order. You can see it based on alphabetical order. Cooking eggs, the E kind of search. So these tools are the 4 tools that I'm actually going to be recommending for you in this video. So you can use the Google Keyword Planner, you can use the Ubersuggest, you can use keyword tools, you can use Google Trend, and then you can use Answer the Public. I believe that if you actually like this video, just subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out valuable videos like this. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to go to the description and join our Telegram group where we share updates, and join the Facebook groups. Every social media platform you want to connect with me, I'm going to put the link in the description. If you also want to hire me to work for you on your Facebook ads, camp, you want to advertise on Facebook, on Instagram, you want me to help you with those kind of services, just click on the link and send me a DM. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.